discuss foreign policy in international relations. Let's start. So here we have some points which we will discuss in our lecture. First of all, introduction, objective, determinants, factors which include internal or external factors, levels of analysis, types of systems, and types of powers. Let's start from introduction. Introduction. Foreign policy refers to the strategies and decisions a country employs to manage its interaction with other countries and international organizations. It encompasses a wide range of activities including diplomacy, trade, negotiation, military actions, and international agreements. Objective. The primary objective of foreign policy are to safeguard national interest, promote economic prosperity, ensure national security, and foster international cooperation. These objectives can vary depending on the country's specific goals and international contexts. Determinants. Now here we have determinants of foreign policy. Geographical location. The physical location of a country including its size, climate, and natural resources plays a significant role in shaping its foreign policy. Demographic factors, population size, density, and composition can influence a country's foreign policy decisions. Third one, historical and cultural factors. The history and cultural heritage of a nation impact its foreign policy, including past conflicts, alliances, and cultural ties. Fourth, economic resources. The economic strength and resources of a country, such as its level of industrialization, trade capabilities, are crucial determinants. Fifth one, domestic politics and ideology. The internal political environment. The internal political environment, including the nature of government and prevailing ideologies, significantly the internal political environment, including the nature of the government and prevailing ideologies, significantly affect foreign policy. Military strength. A country's military capabilities and defense strategies are key factors in its foreign policy formulation. International system. The global political environment, including the actions and policies of other states, international organizations, and global power dynamics, influence foreign policy. External threats. Perceived or actual threats from other countries or non-state actors can shape a nation's foreign policy responses. So here we have factors of foreign policy, internal and external. So we will discuss firstly internal factors, political system and leadership, the type of government, democracy, autocracy, and personalities of key leaders can significantly shape foreign policy decisions. Economic conditions, the economic strength and stability of a country, including its level of development and economic resources, influence its foreign policy priorities. Public opinion and media. Domestic public opinion and media can pressure policymakers to adopt certain foreign policies. Interest groups and lobbyists. Various domestic interest groups, including business, NGOs, and lobbyists, can impact foreign policy through advocacy and influence. Historical and cultural context. A nation's historical experiences and cultural values can shape its foreign policy outlook and decisions. International system and power dynamics. These are our external factors. First one, international system and power dynamics. The structure of the international system, including the distribution of power among states, affects foreign policy choices. Second, alliances and in international organizations and alliances can constrain or guide a state's foreign policy. Global economic environment, international trade relations, economic section, and global market conditions influence foreign policy decisions. External threats and opportunities, perceived or actual threats from other states or non-state actors, as well as opportunities for cooperation, plays a crucial role in shaping foreign policy. Technological and environmental factors. Advance in technology and environmental issues such as climate change can also impact foreign policy. Levels of analysis. Here we have three levels: individual, state, and systemic. First one is individual level. This level focuses on personal characteristics and actions of individual leaders or are decision makers. It examines how their beliefs, personalities, and choices influence foreign policy decisions for state level. At this level, the analysis looks at the internal characteristics of states such as political system, economic structures, and national interest. It considers how domestic factors like government type or economic needs drive a state's foreign policy. For instance, systemic level. This level examines the international system as a whole, focusing on the structure and distribution of power among states. It considers how the anarchic nature of the international system. Types of system: bipolar system, unipolar system, and multipolar system. First one is bipolar system. A bipolar system is characterized by dominance of two powers that control global economic, military, and political relations. Other states typically align with one of these two powers. The Cold War era with the United States and the Soviet Union as the two superpowers is a classic example of a bipolar system. This system is often marked by intense competition between two poles. Unipolar system. Unipolar system can exist when a single state holds the majority of power and influence in the international era. This state often faces no significant competition from other states. For the post Cold War period with the United States as a predominant global power is an example of unipolar system. Multipolar system. A multipolar system features multiple power states, none of which can dominate the others. Power is more evenly distributed among several major states, leading to a more complex and dynamic international environment. Pre-World War I era with multiple great powers like Britain, France, Germany, and Russia is an example of multipolar system. Types of powers: hard power, soft power. Hard power, military force, economic sections, and diplomatic pressure. Soft powers, influence, diplomatic engagement, and economic aids. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Take care.